हेलो एवरीवन, गुड इवनिंग। दिस इज़ अंशिका। आज आपके लिए बहुत ही प्यारी सी स्केच लेकर के आई हूँ, जो कि हमारी आप खुद देख लीजिए कि क्या बनने वाला है आज हमारी ब्यूटीफुल आर्ट में। आज आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा हमारी इस आर्ट से। तो फॉलो द स्टेप्स। As you have already saw in my previous video, I have shared my views on drawing. That guys, अगर आप ड्राइंग कर रहे हैं तो आपको म्यूजिक सुनना चाहिए. It looks perfect combination for your drawing and also increase your interest towards drawing. The way you are drawing, it looks good, and you also invest your time and you feel, wow, I'm enjoying this drawing and all. See the pretty ears of our cat. Oh my god, how gorgeous she is looking. Okay. Okay, so you all have to follow this step by step and keep drawing and keep continuing with your drawing. Hope you all enjoy my drawing, and I'm very happy to share my experience with you all that I love to draw anything anytime. मेरा कोई टाइम नहीं ड्राइंग करने का, and I love it very much. I hope you all guys enjoy it very much. So start drawing and enhance your personality with drawing. Thank you so much all for watching my video, and keep enjoying my videos and keep sharing, keep liking and keep commenting on my videos. Thank you so much for all your love, and bye bye all.